Guys, welcome back to Cooking with Precious. It's your favorite cook, Precious. I hope you enjoyed the recipe I'm about to share with you. So you guys know the drill of this channel. Don't forget to like, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends. Comment down below if you like the recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. It's very important. And please, please, please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you would be notified. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So these are the ingredients we need for the coconut rice. The rice is not here because it's currently parboiling, but let me just quickly show you guys the other ingredients we'll be using. So we'll be using red bell pepper. Can you focus? Anywho, some crayfish, some carrots. We'll also be using stock water. This is goat meat stock water. If you want a recipe, if you want to learn how to make goat meat stock water, you can also ask for that. Just comment down below in the comment section and I'll show you guys how I get my goat meat stock water. Then this is this is green bell pepper. Then here we have goat meat, just boiled. It's not been fried or anything. Yeah, that's goat meat. We need onions. And we need the green beans and coconut milk. Obviously I don't want to do the long process of making coconut milk, so I just got this at my local supermarket. So you could just check your local supermarket. I don't want to blend it too much because the top is open, but yeah, this coconut milk, check your local supermarket and you would get coconut milk if you don't want to go through the process. So yes, this is all the ingredients with the rice and obviously your Maggi cubes. So for my seasoning, I'm going to be using 2 cubes of Maggi. I don't know why it's not focusing, but yeah, 2 cubes of Maggi. I'll be using chicken seasoning. I'll be using salt, and we will be using thyme. The drill: you get your pot, you add some oil, just add a little, don't eat too much oil, it's not good for you. So you just get a clean pot, add your oil, and then you wait for the oil to get a bit hot, not too hot. Then you just drop in your onions, your chopped onions. I'm not a very good, I don't know, don't worry. Add your green bell pepper, then you add your red bell pepper. Yep. When you add your red bell pepper, then you would add your green beans. Don't forget, you can always add the vegetables based on how you want to do it. I just added it based on how it was on my reach. So now I'm adding my carrot. If you notice, I like my carrots round. I just like it round. I don't know why. I just like it round. Can you see these beautiful colors? Now you add your goat's meat. As you can see, just boiled goat's meat. So now we're just going to fry it. No, not with too much oil, so I won't say fry, just by the way. So now we just give it a nice stir, and wow, guys, can you see these beautiful colors I'm seeing? It's just so beautiful. It looks perfect. You can now imagine how the rice will taste. Now I'm just going to add my Maggi cubes. I used 3, by the way, but I'll only show you guys 2. So if you're making the quantity I made, I used 1.5 cup of rice, so you'd need 3 cubes if you want it to taste nice. It's just logic, guys. It's not rocket science. It's just I don't know. But yeah, you just add your Maggi cubes and then you add your thyme. Thyme, they say, doesn't really add anything to the food, but I don't know where their taste buds are, because thyme does a lot to my food. I taste it, I feel it, I like it. And now I would be adding my salt after adding my thyme. You can add your seasoning anyhow you want to add it. So now I'm just going to add my salt. Make sure you add enough salt for taste. Very important to make it tasteless. Make sure you add enough salt. And then you mix. Actually, stir, not mix. Stir, stir, stir everything. Make sure everything is getting the flavor. Very important. Then you add your coconut milk. If you guys want to me to show you how, if you don't have enough money to buy the can, I think the can is like 1.5 or 1.2. I don't remember. That's in naira. But if you want me to show you the whole process, it's very long. I don't mind. If you comment down below, I would make a video on the whole process of getting coconut milk. Now, I'm going to add my stock water. Also, if you want to know how to make stock water, actually, you could just check down my video on spaghetti, stir-fry spaghetti. That's how you get stock water. If you want it for goat's meat, then use goat's milk. I just wanted to use goat's milk because that was what was available. Well, there's actually chicken and beef, but that's what I wanted. I just wanted the flavor. So now you're going to cover the pot and allow this to boil. Like, it has to have the bubbles at the top before you now add your rice. Make sure you parboil your rice, very important. And don't add too much water when you add your coconut milk. I lost the clip amount of the amount of water I added, but yeah, just give it a good stir when you add your rice, so everything could get that seasoning, that maggi, that salt, that thyme, that chicken seasoning, everything, so you could get everything. Now you just cover it and allow it to cook. Then when it has cooked for a little while, you add your crayfish. This, you could fry your crayfish, but I feel like if you fry it, there was a time I fried it and it overpowered the rice, so I just prefer to add it when my food is almost done cooked. But you could fry it, but just add a little quantity. And now you just cover for an extra 10 minutes for that crayfish to go in and cook properly so you don't get food poisoning. Very important. And voila, it should look like this. Guys, everyone in the house enjoyed this. They were so angry I made a very little portion, but it is what it is. But yeah, guys, please make sure you try out this recipe. It is delicious, it is quick, it is easy, and it requires a few materials, like a few ingredients, and you'll have a lovely meal. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe and make sure you try it out. If you try it out, please comment down below in my comment section. Bye guys.